back to another. Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing? Bro, why are you in a raid right now? Why are you in a raid? We're supposed to be opening this. SYLVEON. Well, this is so old I have a sticker. It's so old! So old! This sticker is an old sticker and I can't wait to open it. I'm first, he's second, he's third. Just go play your game somewhere else so I could go.
Sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Next time you're around.
And that introduces our sponsor for the video. Just kidding. We're not famous. We have no sponsors.
Okay, guys, I can't wait to open this. I love SYLVEON. Cutest Pokemon in the world. Third favorite Pokemon of mine. First is Bunny. My brother's going into my room. Security! Get him!
I've got this, don't worry.
Can't open this.
Sir, nobody's in your room besides Cat.
Tell the kitty you could stay.
Kitty, you can stay.
Thank you. I think you should check again.
I think you should open the box, man.
He just walked out of my room.
You didn't see me. I actually went in my room.
I know, I saw you.
Nice.
That's so cute. And shout out to all your moms. She made you dinner. Ooh. Cosmic Eclipse.
What's a Cosmic Eclipse?
Oh, I didn't even notice I was touching it. That is the cutest card in the world. I love it. Need to hard case it? Just kidding. I know it's the cutest card in the world, but I can't hard case it, sadly. Hallelujah. Ah, so cute. And so is that. Not much though. This is way cuter. No. This is. Come on. This is cuter.
I found a real life SYLVEON.
Good? Hey, you are in this video.
He looks camera nervous.
Are you gonna move? You're on YouTube. Well, guys, I guess we have to open it. Whoa! Okay, he's
got
gone.
one.
But SYLVEON. I'm in the left. I'm in the. No, that happened before, and now that just brought back so many. Why are you touching? Okay, guys, let's crack in the Sun and Moon first, and Evolution at the end. Okay, guys, can't wait to crack in. Oh, that was easy, Red, bro. That was easy.
I wonder why.
1, 2, 3.
There's 3.
3. In the energy. Is it? Is that an energy? No? It's an energy. It's an energy! An energy. Ooh, another. Ooh, Torcat. Ooh, sand. Ooh, there we go. Upside down Caterpie. Caterpie. Skarmory. Mushrooms. What evolutions? My brother says evolution weighs a lot. We got Chimchim. Ooh. Bro! We got Cosmo. And we got Hariyama. That was for the first pack.
Crimson Invasion.
Crimson
is like
Invasion.
second worst than Steam Seed.
Same
Well,
seed.
there are some good cards in there, so
That was Waiting Green.
it definitely is.
Yep. Yes, Waiting Green, guys. Waiting Green. Okay, guys, we are opening, and we got Waiting Green Go card. Oh, so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Energy, energy, energy. We got a Moga, we got a Grambler, we got a, I don't remember, Minky, Jammo, Carblist, Dino, Houndor, ooh, Reverse Hollow, Atiki, ooh, and
Finally, I was the first person to start the clapping.
that was sad. This is heavy.
I know that. That's
Sun
one of
and
the good
Moon,
ones,
Burning
too.
Shadows.
Burning Shadows is really good. You get the.
Let's open this Burning Shadows. Burr says we could get a Rainbow Rare out of this.
If we do get white and green code for it, it's really good.
It was.
Oh, well.
Did you just say no, it wasn't? There you go, white and green. And I might have just been. Ooh. I only got one green card so far. Only green. 4 or 3.
It's 4.
I'm gonna do 3 because I don't trust you.
Okay. Well, it is an energy. You're not gonna see. It is an energy.
Fine.
It is an
Oh,
energy.
I just saw a spark.
I did too, but it's not. It's an energy. There is an energy. We just opened it on Kia.
Okay. That's scaring me.
We just opened Burning Shadows of a ball. You don't know that, right? And we did 4.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Fairy. This thing.
Gizmo.
Gilsmo.
Super Scoop Up.
Super Scoop.
Togedemaru.
Togedemaru.
Pod.
Moonpod.
Meow.
Meowth. Magikarp. Krogunk. River Howl Persian. Oh! A Champ GX! I need to give this to my dad. Rock. The Rock. The Rock. LOL. Damn, this is a good card. I love it.
Yeah, you can hard sleeve it or no?
No.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is beautiful. Next, we have Huh? Ooh, amazing rare. Right off the bat. No, that's not an amazing rare.
Yeah, that's a normal Dadua.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. No, we could get a reverse hollow. That's good.
3. I could get a Charizard.
It's 3. Did you do 3?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember last time I got a Charizard?
You thought the pack had trash.
We got Trainer card, Haunter, Duo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Magnemite, Reverse Hollow thing, and
Starmie.
Starmie. And I think that's all.
Now let's get in the Drakes.
Yep.
Hello, everyone. You got your star, Super Drake 14, with co-host Random Person.
Random person. I am a random person found off the streets. We already know I was found off the streets. Everybody knows.
Yep, and everyone else. I can't pretend. Everyone knows background stage is more like background noise.
I don't know mine too right now. I'm joking. Sight. You guys thought. Lol. LMAO. I'm sweating from the Super Drake 14 Super Drake 14 merch. Not out yet. When we hit 1,000, we will.
I'm gonna be in the back.
This is a nice 10. Boom.
Sylveon
Boom.
right there.
Boom. Oh, Sylveon, come here.
I'm still layer packs.
Okay.
I'm still no. Give me. I want to have the best one.
We have the Sylveon. Very good looking later, as you may have seen twice, but hey, I love Sylveon.
Packs. I think that's Burning Shadows, Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon, and Evolutions. Drake! Evolutions last. You bent it.
I didn't. It was like that. It was like that.
No, it wasn't.
It was like that. Okay, guys, don't worry. It was like that.
Put in a heart sleeve so I'm bent.
Run.
Well, he's gone and I'm here. What was he thinking?
I was thinking I'd do this. Oh, I thought you'd come with the chair. Oh well. I'll just put you over the chair. How to get rid of
I think it's
people.
bent.
Perfect.
Yeah, how to get rid of people.
That thing's gonna stay bent.
Well, let's open the pack. Okay, guys, we're opening 4 packs. Let's get Sun and Moon first, because I feel like Sun and Moon is the whoa.
Winkle.
Is Sun and Moon easy to open?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, that was like smooth.
Hey, yeah, guess what? He opened it smooth last time. It was a normal green go card.
It's a normal green go card. Ironic. 1, 2, and 3. Plop them all right there. We've got a Herdier, Wishy-Washy, Rare Candy, a Wingle, a Lillipup.
Watching.
Drake, you forgot to do the
That
thing,
your
and now there's the
coronavirus
energy right
test.
here.
Oh, yes. An Energy, a Cosmog, a Rowlet,
You're
Youngest,
showing everyone all your cards.
Reverse Hollow Pokemon
That's not
Catcher,
how you open.
and a Golduck. That was an epic first pack. We
He
got it.
doesn't know how to do it.
There we go. Something about the
I
Golduck.
have 100 of them.
Backstage likes Golducks. Cool. Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion.
I literally have 100.
You guys ready for me to professionally open? Ooh, that was actually.
It's worth 2 cents.
It's for 2 cents. It's for 2 cents. I mean, protect the 2-cent card, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're opening Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion.
What are we having for dinner?
That's a serious question to ask in the video, you know. White and green. 3.
It's actually 4, but okay.
It's actually 4. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Background noise.
Like it cut, G.
We got a Fighting Energy, a Grumpig, a Maywile, and a Nolga,
Wait, say that
Aeron.
again, say that again, say that again.
a Maywile,
Small while.
okay, Aeron, Staryu, Jangmo, a Feebas, a
Did you
Stuffle,
forget to do the card trick?
a Reverse Hollow Snipers, and a Hollow Viewer.
Is it a V?
It's a Hollow.
Casey? Your friend here, Donkey, wants to see.
Showing off background noise, but it
Oh,
got
that sucks.
rude. I think it's beautiful in my heart.
I don't care. Golduck is 2 cents.
Are you ready for Sun and Moon, Burning Invasion, Burning Shadows? Okay.
He's burning your shadows. They're invisible. How could they burn? Do 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 do.
Oh, true. R.I.P. Pokemon 10.
R.I.P. Sylveon.
R.I.P. Drake Sylveon, though. R.I.P.
Do 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 do.
Dun dun dun
Instead of
dun 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 dun
Guys, I came
dun 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 dun.
You
Here,
guys,
guys, here's your code card, guys. Psych, you thought you were gonna get the code card.
dude,
Try and figure
they
out.
can scan it, man. They can scan
Why
it.
would you show it? No, if you scan it, if you scan the QR code, it just brings them to the thing after you do get it.
Well, we got a Gloom, Viper, Lana, Duskull.
No, okay. That is literally a dabbing Duskull.
Okay.
It's
Can I
dabbing.
see the dabbing
Definitely gotta
Duskull?
sleeve that.
I want to see
Moral?
the dabbing Duskull.
It's a
Caterpie,
dabbing Duskull. Gotta sleeve that dabbing.
Marill,
Caterpie.
Rhyhorn,
Dabbing Duskull.
Damn.
Reverse Hollow Magikarp, and a Meowsticks. What a cute meow.
Oh, yeah,
Missing.
one more card.
And a water energy.
Water
Here you go.
Everyone clap for the water energy. Gio, stop touching my Pokemon cards or I'll slap your face.
Guys, I came up with a new name for background stage. Instead, it's background noise.
One second, I need to go to the snack table. I heard they just brought Oreos.
It's 3, Drake.
Oh, they're out. Oh, the Oreos are out. People already ate all the Oreos, guys.
What a green, sir. This is more important than your Oreos.
No, my Oreos are more important because someone ate them all and I just saw the glue. I already know what it is.
The trainer Snowbro,
R.I.P.
the Pokédex,
R.I.P.
Hunter,
R.I.P.
Ponyta. Background noise, this is important. Magnemite, Pikachu. Oh, he's
that's
so
what's
cute. Machop, Weedle, Reverse Hollow Seal, and a Brock's Gift Trainer card.
Good R.I.P. Good R.I.P.
That's
believe you.
$20.
Really? Where's the hard seal?
I searched it up a month ago. I actually looked at that a month ago.
PIR.
So it was
Yeah, that's
$20.
because I have one. It was an RIP.
Look, he's so cute.
PIR.
We'll pop these all over there.
What's PIR mean?
And now,
PIR.
I think in background noise, we gotta go get to the next guy.
Okay, guys, open my Sylveon tin now. The kid's stalking me.
Stealing your Pokemon.
Okay, there we go. Got it open, guys.
Nice.
That right there.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What's in there?
If I can
What's in
open
there? It's a tin. You got a Sylveon.
Mine's bad too. What the? Why is mine bad?
I got the best Sylveon.
See? RIP. Why are all of them bent?
I got the best one.
RIP.
No, mine is bent. No, that's his. LMAO. I got the best one.
I unbent it, kind
Because I'm
of.
a good boy.
Okay, well, there's that. Code card. All the packs.
Santa probably put Doc in all these because he felt bad for unwrecking my ball.
Okay, so we got Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows,
Sun and
Moon, and Evolutions. Let's get into the
X
packs.
and Y.
Hey guys, this is my Sun and Moon pack. Open. Oh my god, that was clean.
All of them were like that.
And they're all green code cards. Yeah, we love that. We'll just do a quick pack. I'm joking. Quick card 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them to the front. Clutch Energy, Torcat Energy, Switch. I'm joking. Trumpeak, Carvana, Stubble, Wingull, Lillipup, Cosmog, Reverse Hollow Spinda, and a Bluxish. Bro, it's a fish.
It's
Guys,
a fish
we
with
got a
lips.
fish. Guys, we got a fish.
What's lips?
We got a dog and a fish. Look, a dog and a fish.
A dog and a fish.
Actually, no, I got clear sleeves. I don't want to use it. R.I.P. the camera, guys. R.I.P. camera.
R.I.P. you guys. Damn, this camera's gonna break
That wasn't
soon.
it. Wait.
We did that so much. What?
Okay, let's open my Crimson Invasion pack.
Solid green.
Just quick card 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it to the front. We got Fire Energy, Grumpig, Emolga, Shinshino, Ghastly, I almost said Haunter, Houndor, Staryu, Yamamoto, Shelmet, ooh, Reverse Hollow Artaria, and a Crawdont regular rare.
Oh, look, you're rare. Whoopsies.
Oh, okay. Get that.
Sorry, guys.
Just
that
move
are
a little
watching.
bit.
Just heard that.
I'm gonna open the
So much stuff.
Burning Shadows pack. Last Burning Shadows pack I opened, I got good stuff and white and green code card. Let's go.
Damn.
We love
Burning
the way green
Shadows
code
is the
card.
best.
Last Burning Shadows pack I opened, I got white and green code card. Okay, let's go. Fairy Energy, Seadra, Rotom Dex, Super Scoop Up, Magic Cart, Alolan Rattata. We like the Rattatas. We got a Wimpod, Togedemaru. We got a Sock. Reverse Hollow Protown and
What is it? Machamp!
Noivern GX.
I thought it was a Machamp, everyone. Noivern GX.
We got Noivern GX, guys. Pretty nice card. We got the I'll put it in sleeve. I like putting them in sleeves. Whoop. Nice. Put that like right there or something.
Good job, Jacob.
Packs right there. And now it's up the Evolutions pack now. Oh, bro, that was easy.
Easy. Maybe they put the Charizard in there. It's a wedding green, everyone.
White and green card. 1, 2, 3. Come to the front. Could be holographic Charizard though.
Oh, that'd be
I definitely saw something.
What is sparkling?
Coughing? Yeah. Maintenance. Executor, that's pretty rare.
Amazing.
That's the
rare.
buzz. That's not an amazing rare. That's a secret rare. Drowsy. Staryu. Energy. Growlithe. Ooh, reverse holo Clefairy and Dragonite. Full Art. I really thought it was the same thing Drake got.
Yeah,
Okay,
I did
hard
too.
protector, hard protector, hard protector, hard protector. Got one.
Mom, that's mine.
Dragonite Full Art out of Evolutions. I
That's a lot.
didn't have this card.
That's some good money.
That is some good money.
R.I.P.
Dragonite Full Art, and then we got
copyright.
that Clefairy. Or I can't open the sleeve somehow. I literally physically cannot open those. The Clefairy is like $5, I think. I've seen this Clefairy before. We got the Dragonite Full
V
Art.
Max.
It's an EX.
Oh,
That's an EX, not you.
beautiful.
Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We're gonna do an outro. See you in 5 seconds.
Oh, wait, we don't have an outro. We have a look at our Pokemon. Give me it. I want a fish.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. We got some good cards. And yeah, bye, guys.
Mom, what time is dinner?
Fish o'clock.
Bye, guys.
I need to smash you guys.
Remember to like and subscribe so we can post faster, and I think we'll see you all in the next video.
Where we do the dual boxing.